And I'm Santa Claus. I'll be at International Plaza for you to come see me, and I can see you. Good day, Tampa Bay.
I have to drive the bus.
All right,
Lisa,
these
and
are
because you have tights on.
from Route 66, the MAD, which stands for Mobile Adventure Design Scooters. They are electric. They go up to 25 miles an hour. They are amazing.
Oh, boy.
And we are out of here. All right. All right. No. Oh, no.
Oh, dear, I'm good. Oh, I think. Oh, dear. I think I'm okay.
Wait. No, stay. Just stay.
Am I okay?
Just stay. All right, we'll take care of you. Marcellus, thank you.
The newest thing on the market, and if I... Can you hear that? Shoes move on. Bell rings. Hey, great. Okay, that's enough, guy. Okay, that's enough. Beginning to be a lot like Christmas. There's a button in the back. We'll move on. Hey, get your wife, your girlfriend. Buy a couple of them. Christmas is just around the corner. Back over here. No, there's a way to turn this off.
We're going to go ahead and get to the forecast now.
Yes.
So we're in the 20s and 30s out there across the area. You don't want to point at some stuff for me there, Santa?
Absolutely.
We're in the 20s and 30s out there across the area right now. We're expecting wind later today for the forecast as we go into the night tonight and into tomorrow. A little bit of cloud cover out there right now. Precip possible for our northern areas as we get into that 7-day forecast, though. Most of the precip will be well to the north. Gusty winds tonight into tomorrow morning, and then we start to quiet down as we head through the rest of that 7-day forecast. Great job, Santa. We appreciate you being here.
From Fox Television, this is Good Day Tampa Bay.
Strange things going on to start this hour of Good Day, but welcome everyone to Good Day Tampa Bay.
Yep.
And we're going to do even more here now that Thanksgiving is over.
Because they actually told me they would stand by to light the tree, and there it is.
From all of us at KY3, have a happy Christmas and a Merry New Year.
In Christiansburg.
Yes, I bet you are, Eamon. I have seen you get... I did not... Wow, okay, well...
And already toy manufacturers are pushing their products for the holiday season. We'll tell you about the latest version of last year's hottest toy, the Mario Lemieux doll, coming up.
Have a happy
Holiday. Merry
Christmas, everyone. Hey, wait a minute. Hey, is the blooper tape done yet? I got a couple of additions. Write it down.
Merry and happy.
And people come here from all over the world, and just to give you a sign of that, let you see where they came from, we'll let you meet some of them to the strains of the Metropolitan Singers. Hold on, don't go to it.
Carmen, I can't leave you out. Who would you like to find under the mistletoe this Christmas?
You, baby.
I can't believe you'd say that. That's not smart.
Why are you in red? How are you red?
Good.
Okay, here we go.
The holidays are a special time for families and friends, a time to create memories and look back on old ones.
But for homeless families, those special memories are hard to think about when every day is a fight for survival.
And you can't get the ball on the tree.
When you can't get balled at Christmas.
It is very painful.
Are you mailing a Christmas gift? No. Say yes anyhow for camera.
I'm Jewish. I celebrate Hanukkah.
Are you mailing a Hanukkah gift?
No, because it's over.
Okay, Hanukkah is over. So anyhow, you get the idea. You can mail things around the clock here. And we'll be back again later in the show to give you more useful tips to mail your Christmas or Hanukkah gifts out. Back to you.
There you go. I don't think he's making any friends out there at the post office.
So I'm here a lot. All the way to the 24th. And then it's off delivering presents.
See.
All right?
All right. Thanks,
Can I get a hug goodbye? Oh, look at that. It's going to be all over town now.
I know. I know. All right, what else?
Did you tell them what you wanted?
A new photographer?
Really?
Yeah. What else do you need here, Jason?
Well, good morning, Barbara. Good morning, Carlos. This is an incredible thing. I'm in Mickey's ride, Mickey Mouse's ride with Mickey. This is his Bantam.
And I'm going to try and start this up here. Can you hear me here? All right, now we're going to put it in gear, right, Mick? And as we attempt to put it in gear, my foot's on the brake. Oh, there we go. There we go. Something happened. Are we going forward now? Oh, this is kind of cool. Oh, yes. This will work.
Hier staan we presenteren, dames en heren. Ik was er maar genoeg van. Mag ik ook iets zeggen, of niet? Voilà. Goedenavond, kijkers. Leven en laten leven. 187.
You may think it's too early to start stringing Christmas lights outside of your home, but one Crooks man says he's already way behind on his holiday decorating. As KELOLAND's Kelly Grant explains in tonight's Eye on KELOLAND, lighting your home up like a runway and raising money for a great cause has him rushing to bring holiday cheer to the area. All right, we apologize for that. That was the wrong video. We hope to bring you that story. We're going to take a quick break and then hope to bring you that story in just a moment.
Look at all of these people out here on the John Hunt Plaza outside the Morris. Things getting underway. We're going to hear some kids' choirs sing. We're going to see some other kids perform. And then I'm told around 6 o'clock, Santa will come up on a fire truck. Then he and Mayor Pete Buttigieg are going to head down to the College Football Hall of Fame. And while they're there, they are going to light the Christmas tree there on fire. So, on fire, not on fire. Cindy, Rick, you got to help me out here. My photographer's making me walk and talk, and clearly I'm not doing a very good job at that. There's the mayor. There's Mayor. Kelly. Oh, Kelly. You can see Mayor Pete Buttigieg addressing the crowd here. I just heard him say Santa's going to be here. What is wrong? I think it's Friday. Holy moly.
Oh, Kelly. It's not just tonight, though, either, Kelly, is it? There's still a lot to do this weekend.
That's right, there is. Santa will be here also tomorrow. You can have tea with Santa Claus. You can have lunch with Santa Claus. So much to do. There are crafts. If you want to come out and have your picture taken with him tonight, you can do that.
All right. Well, I don't know that Santa's going to know that you were good this year, Kelly. We're watching
I'm a mess.
you.
Okay, back to you.
You go ahead and start, Mike. Be careful now. Also that we're full. I think that was a mistake. Amazing, Mike!
You know what? This is the best Christmas I ever had. If I never have another, God bless you. I hope everybody be happy.
Well, Snowman is making you up some eggs. Now let me ask you another way. How has he got to do his work over there? Now, do you know this guy over here? This is Drummond from Menards. Yeah. Now, Drummond grew up in Logan Square. And Drummond, you said, what did you know about this house growing up?
Kids from all over the neighborhood come here. It's something pretty special. And during the winter, Christmas time, it's all lit up. People come from all over the neighborhood to see it.
Did you know anything about Frank before today?
No, I always wanted to come inside the house and see what it was like. And
so this is like meeting an idol of yours, really.
Somewhat.
You want to get up and give him a hug? Get up and give him a thank you hug after all these years. This is what we do on WGN Morning News. We bring viewers together. We bring families together. Jesse, get over here. Let's have a group hug. This is what we do. We got Frank, we got Drummond and Jesse from Menards. We got Santa, we got Frosty, we got eggs that have been left over from last night that Frank's nephew cooked and never cleaned up.
I guess the only thing I could ask is, what is it you don't have? And that's not a whole lot of that. So right now, behind me, a 40-foot cedar tree. Let the season begin. I'm going to light the tree. And I guess I've got to press this button a little bit harder. The carolers are singing, and we've got all kinds of lights here. And we hope to have this tree lit in just a second to kick off Christmas in the park. Well, we blew a fuse a little bit earlier, but the the spirit lives on here at Cove Lake State Park. Folks, we're going to get this tree lit regardless tonight. We're going to get it lit regardless, and if I have to stand here all night, but it's going to be a lot I can assure you.
We'll be back to check. We'll be back to check in on you,
all right,
Sam.
in just a few minutes.
Maybe it's April 1st.
Right. Maybe. It is.
Look, Sam.
There it is. There it is. I just had to push that button a little bit harder. Christmas has begun, and we'll talk to you a little bit later.
Okay, Sam. Thank you.
If a child asks for a particular toy, that no matter what the toy, I do not promise, what they're going to get. But I do indicate that they're going to get some surprises, and kids like surprises, so that usually encourages them.
Give Santa some of the burden. If the kid says, Santa, I want a Maserati, let Santa be the one to say, no, you get a Yugo, and be happy about it. Glad tidings, everybody.
Stop trying to convince your kids that Santa is Santa. That's my take is, forget about it. That's why they have these high expectations. They know you can't afford it. They're going to ask some man in a red suit. There is no Santa.
No, but if a little kid will think, well, Santa will get me whatever I want.
As soon as they can talk, there's no Santa.
Hey, Ebenezer, what's with you?
No, I still do gifts, but it's not from Santa.
So your little kid.
Santa is a symbol of the generosity of the season. You go sit in his lap, we'll take a picture. But he's not coming down the chimney. He's not eating those cookies. He's not bringing you anything.
Next week you come up to the office. I'll show you Polar Express. You got to believe. Don't stop believing.
Okie dokie.
Let's get to Lou Canellis making his sports list and checking it twice.
Robin, don't ruin it for me. I'm asking Santa for a Maserati.
He's jolly. He's big. He's even got the white hair and beard. And while he often plays Santa Claus, he wasn't when he visited Walt Disney World last week.
I had a shirt that had, it would be like a collage, and it had Santa's faces and it had sayings from the night before Christmas. Disney had informed me that I must inform anybody who came up to me that I am not who you think I am. I am on vacation, and please leave me alone.
Disney says they asked Tolbert to change because guests aren't allowed to wear costumes. Tolbert says he wasn't wearing a costume and he wasn't trying to attract attention.
All the people that I ever talked to had photographs with or autographed approached me. I never approached anyone.